heard it's gonna be this year.
It's gonna be this year. It's sooner than what everyone thinks.
Okay. So, ang ginagawa mo right now lahat is hosting.
Mhm.
Wala nang venture to, ayaw nang balikan yung acting era mo?
Parang baliktad. Ayaw ako balikan ng acting.
Okay, okay.
After what happened, I guess.
Okay. Eh yung Giger Boys era mo, ayaw na rin balikan.
I think slowly.
Grabe yung mga tawa ng mga nandito
Oo
sa
nga eh. Na-hurt ako.
Nakaka-insulto.
That's the
Na-hurt
best.
ako.
That's going to be the
Namimiss mo
best.
ba? Can you sample ka nga?
Ha?
Giger
Sigurado
Boys?
ka ba?
Ano ba? May mga dance moves ka pa ba? Buhay pa ba dyan?
I think pareho tayo ng dance moves.
Ganun na lang, no?
Ganun.
Ganun na lang.
Ang tawag dyan ay uga-uga. hindi na siya moves talaga. But slowly, I think ASAP, during one of the tapings na ginawa namin for ASAP, natuwa sila dun sa isang production number. And then they want me to go to, to have rehearsals every now and then.
So babalik ka nga sa era na yun.
But not so much.
Not so
Hindi
much.
yung mga pakanto boys style ng sayawan.
Okay, gets.
And I have to thank Emilio for that one. Thank you so much, Emilio.
Siya may pakana?
Siya yung dahilan kung bakit nakita nila, magaling si Robbie ah. I love you, Emilio.
May ganun na. Before I ask the questions here from our friends of the press, meron ka bang feeling ngayon na parang, because I see that like Emilio, di ba? So parang we have more young hosts coming in. Do you feel like being the kuya now? Nasa ganun ka na bang stage?
I think even before Emilio pa, with the new batch of mixed VJs back then, like 2018, 2019, sila Charlene, di ba? Yan. I felt like a kuya, and it's really a commitment to pass on the knowledge that I have received from Kuya Luis, from Bianca, from Billy and Ate Tony before. I had that certain drive there to tell them na, guys, ganito yung kung paano gawin yung mga shows sa ABS-CBN. So, if you want, I can teach you.
You were the Emilio in that era eh.
Yes,
Diba?
yes. During the golden years, I have to say, personally, the golden years of Mix. Yung time nila, Iya, Nikki, Luis, Karel, Hart, yan. That was the time na pumasok ako, and then I was just hungry to learn.
Right. Para ka lang sponge eh. Absorb ka na absorb. Na, ma-share ko lang po kasi Robbie and I, we've been talking a lot about his hosting and all the projects that he's been getting with ABS-CBN. And the reason why I asked na he's being the kuya already because I feel like he is already there. Kasi nagkaroon na rin po talaga ng time na parang he's getting a lot of flack and bash about getting all these hosting projects. But in reality, si Robbie na po kasi talaga yung nandoon.
I remember that discussion.
Diba? It was just in that hallway. Parang sinasabi ko kay Robbie na people need to realize that Robbie is no longer the young host na nagsisimula dati. Na parang he's now one of the reliable and most bankable hosts that we have.
Thank you.
Oo. Kasi nag-graduate na rin sina Billy, sina Luis, they're on a different level already. So parang kasi nabasa ko rin yun yung online eh.
Yeah.
And Robbie and I would talk about that. But I always tell him na not naman be bothered by it, but you're in that state already talaga.
Yeah, the launching pad of that conversation was that barrage of comments online. And syempre, people would tell me, ano basahin yung mga comments? They don't matter. But to me, every comment matters kasi syempre, I have to listen to what the audience says and watches and hears, ganyan. So, a series of comments like, sana naman? Bakit ko na naman? Wala na bang iba? Ganyan. And then, I was so tempted to answer, but I consulted with MJ. Huwag na. Kasi, baka meron nga, pero hindi pa handa. Or, baka ayaw. So,
Right.
sinong kukuha?
Saka darating yung time that Robbie would elevate na rin. On a different league, on a different level.
Pero sana wag muna. Kasi nakakuha ko lang ng loan.
Yun lang. Kaya, blessing pala tong contract signing natin.
Super. Thank you, ABS-CBN.
Okay, eto na. Basahin na natin yung mga questions for you, Robbie.
Okay.
Una from Hannah Malorca of Inquire.net. Hannah is here. Asa si Hannah? Okay. From Miss Earth to other hosting gigs, I noticed na you've always been consistently loyal with the projects you've been taking on. Gaano ka-importante ang loyalty in your line of work?
Not just in my line of work, also personal. Especially when I got married. You know, loyalty is one of the top things that I value. And to me, all the more reason that you become loyal because you believe in the values of what you're part of. I'm a big fan of Miss Philippines Earth kasi it's a beauty with a purpose, di ba? And to stay with ABS-CBN is one thing, but to believe in its core and its commitment to be in the service of the Filipinos is another. When we tape shows here, when we deliver spiels, when we do events, it's not really for the pink slip or for the glory, but for, you know, elevating the standards for the Filipino people. And that's how I see things. And sana yung passion na to is especially with after everything that ABS-CBN has gone through, especially after the shutdown and the pandemic. I hope and I feel like most of the people who stayed, ganun yung gigil, ganun yung grit na maibalik yung ABS-CBN where it's supposed to be.
Alright. I'm curious lang, so you've been hosting a lot of shows here. Meron bang international franchise that you would love to host pag nagkaroon ng Philippine adaptation?
Oh, wow.
Na hindi pa natin nagagawa here.
There is one that I watched abroad, and I hope you guys can see that. It's called The Cube.
The Cube.
Yeah, it's an international franchise.
Para siyang minute to win it.
Para siyang minute to win it na
May challenge, may
na
skill
may
challenge.
game ka na ba? Na
Right.
may Who Wants to Be a Millionaire type?
Alam mo sa kabagay?
Ano yan?
The Crystal Maze. Oh my God, ang tanda. Walang nakaalam. Hindi nyo alam yung The Crystal Maze.
What is the Crystal Maze?
So there are 4 areas in the maze. The Aztec, the futuristic, the medieval, and then the industrial era.
Okay.
Tapos there are 6 contenders looking for crystals. The more crystals they have, the more time they have in the big dome to collect gold and silver.
Can you produce it?
I don't know. Oh my God, natanda ko na nasabi ko yung Crystal Maze.
Crystal Maze.
Oh my God, I'm so
Magdinig
sorry.
namin sa Wikipedia yan.
Oh my God. Anyway, moving on. From Juno of Rappler, Juno is here. Hi Juno, say hi to Robbie. You have been hosting PBB for many years. What new challenges have you encountered and eventually overcome in the past seasons where fandom culture for the housemates is at its peak?